Hello there! In this video we are going to create an Excel workbook with OpenPyXL and also open an existing workbook with OpenPyXL. So to do that we have to import the load workbook method and also the workbook method. But first let's check our folder that we are in. So we can see here that we don't have anything in our folder. It's totally empty, as you can see here. And now we want to start our Python interpreter. And then we are going to write from OpenPyXL import workbook. So now we are importing the workbook method so we can create a new workbook. And then we are gonna give our workbook variable the workbook method here. And then now when we have created our workbook, we have loaded it into memory, we can then save it with the vb.save and give it a name, let's say sample.xlsx. Now then we have a new workbook created. So let's see if we got anything in our folder. Yes, we have this sample.xlsx here. And let's now say that we want to exit then. We exit the interpreter and check the dir, so we have one sample.xlsx workbook here. Let's say that we now want to open this workbook. So what we would need to do then is go to from OpenPyXL import load workbook this time. And then we want to set our workbook to be equal to load workbook and pass our workbook name sample.xlsx. And now we want to save that, say that we have done some modifications. So we just save that one as sample2.xlsx. Okay. And if we now exit the interpreter, you can see that we have sample and sample2. So that's how you create a workbook and how you load a workbook with OpenPyXL. If you would like to know more, I have also made a complete course covering OpenPyXL, and you can find the link to the course in the description of this video.